You gonna burn that shit.
No, I'm not. I do it every time. Chill. Look at the tip right here. ¿Qué? ¿Cómo? I don't know. Tell my mom. My mom knows his number. ¡Mamá! Dale el número a Fabián. De Pedris. You know, that's how they do it at the bank, so they know it's straight.
Really? Why do they have to know it's straight?
Well, when it's brand new, basically.
So they iron their dollars.
Yeah.
So is there a machine or someone just does it?
Does it? Of course there's gonna be a machine, bitch. It's not back then. No, I'm just playing with y'all, bro. My last dollar, bro. Last dollar. No, the last dollar gotta look fresh.
You should do that to your clothes, though.
No, I am. Money first, then clothes later. We'll let that in there. You know. And that's all. When you want to put it in a machine for, you know, make it straight and the little thing so you can get something to drink or eat, put it in like that. Fierro.